Hi everyone, Miss York here, and today I'm joined by my mom, Miss say your name.
Cheryl.
And we are sitting in the middle of our book fair. Now, while I was looking at some books, I saw a book that I thought was really interesting, and it is called Science Experiments. And so I decided that I want to try a science experiment, and I got Mom to do it with me, okay? If you like the activity we do today, there are a lot more experiments in this book. This book is $10 at the book fair. I would say it is good for ages probably kindergarten through 5th grade, kindergarten through 4th, 5th grade. They have slime experiments, they have earth experiments, they have some STEM experiments. They're really cool. Today, our experiment is going to be to build a marshmallow catapult. Ooh. And we're going to try to follow the directions and build this catapult. And when we do, I am going to attempt to shoot marshmallows in Mama's mouth. Think I can do it? All right, let's try. Okay. So step 1 says we need 10 popsicle sticks. Can you make sure we have 10 popsicle sticks? 5 rubber bands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rubber bands. We also need a wooden or plastic spoon and some bowls of mini marshmallows. Now, I'm going to test these to make sure they're actually good tasting marshmallows. Perfect. All right. Step 1 says to take 8 popsicle sticks and put them all into a stack.
2, 4, 6, and 8.
Yep. Now put them into a stack as shown below.
Okay.
And it says to wrap a rubber band around each end to secure them. So on each end, you are going to place a rubber band.
Okay, well, I can get them lined up. Perfect.
No, they're not.
They're not working correctly. 1.
Okay. Now secure the ends like so. All right, and 1 around the other end.
Okay.
All right, next step, step 2. Make a stack of 2 popsicle sticks and secure 1 end with a rubber band.
It's a very big rubber band.
Now it says to push the larger stack of sticks horizontally between the smaller stacks, like so. So you split it. Yep, that might need to scoot down a little bit.
Is that too tight?
It doesn't say. All right, that's good.
Okay.
No. It says to split the sticks
Oh, I'm sorry.
and place it. Oh, okay.
Yeah, like that.
Place it like that.
Okay.
Oh, I'm really nervous. Lay a spoon along the top stick, tuck it under the middle and end rubber band. So here's a spoon. This is very interesting. And it says to wrap another rubber band around its neck to secure it to the top. So we're going to wrap it around the neck of it. And it says to wrap a rubber band around the end as well. But mine does not look like that one. Oh, okay, because what did we do wrong? Something's not right.
I don't know.
Lay a spoon along the top. Did it. Tuck it under the middle and end rubber bands. Was there a middle rubber band somewhere? Yeah, we missed a step.
Okay.
We gonna reverse a couple of steps, and we're gonna go back to step 2. This step. It says to place the pieces in the middle and then put a rubber band in the middle. We didn't do that. We forgot. But that's okay. We just remembered that we forgot. Okay. I did it. And now it says to take the spoon and go under it. Under the middle. Seems like this is very complicated. But I guess it's not complicated if you just read. I was really hoping you'd say I can't read just now.
I can't read. I can't see it.
Okay, so we got that done, and now we're going to put the rubber band on the neck of the spoon. And it's supposed to look exactly like the picture. Okay, it looks exactly like the picture. All right, so now we're supposed to be able to load it with a marshmallow, pull it back.
Oh, that's it.
Oh my gosh, it actually works. I'm totally going to try and get this in your face. All right,
Okay.
so here we go.
Okay.
I'm going to try and shoot a marshmallow in Mama's mouth. Okay, ready?
Or spur like that when you need her.
Here you go. Oh, that was, but it went in the bowl. Okay, I got to do it
windy.
harder. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, man. Maybe move your head with it as we go. Okay, maybe I got to adjust.
Closer.
You could have come and gotten that one.
You didn't tell me
You
to.
ready? We're going to be even closer.
Okay.
Oh, gosh. I'm going to do it. I'm gonna get this in your mouth.
Too low.
Too low, okay.
Oh, God.
The mouse in the library is going to love this. Here we go.
Here, this is it. Oh, almost. Next. Oh, that was two. One more time.
Here we go. It's gonna work.
Oh.
Here, let's just try it this way.
Okay.
Yay! Thank you guys for joining us today. We had a whole lot of fun, and we'll see you at the book fair. Bye.